In this episode of I Tried It, I test a video that claims that you can earn $3 every 35 seconds from YouTube by watching videos. I'm going to show you the exact process I went through, how long it took me, and if I actually earned any money. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn if you should attempt this strategy. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. So as I mentioned in this video, I watched this video by The Prodigy where they claim that you can earn $3 every 35 seconds from watching YouTube videos. We're going to talk about the process, the website that you need to go to, how much money I actually earned, and if this is an opportunity for you. So first things first, the YouTube channel, The Prodigy, this video claims that you should go to this website, followfast.com. You are going to watch YouTube videos and you're going to make money. Now, there's a few things that I consider to be red flags, and we're going to talk about it. I'm also going to time lapse the video over my left shoulder so that you can see that I actually went through the process. Okay. First, you sign in, you join, you do all of that good stuff. Now, when I first joined, and you can see me meddling around in here, when I first joined, I actually wasn't able to find a YouTube button. So you can't actually watch YouTube videos as this video claims. The video says that you can make $3 every 35 seconds simply watching videos. When you get over to the website, followfast.com, and you create an account, you can't actually click on a YouTube icon as it's illustrated in this video. So first things first, you can't watch YouTube videos, at least not the way that this channel claims. And so what I actually had to do, and oh, by the way, one thing that I should mention is if you watch this video, it claims that he earned 50 points. You get 50 points just for creating an account. This channel, The Prodigy, didn't actually go through this process themselves. They just signed up and then they got 50 points. And I'm going to tell you why 50 points is absolutely nothing in the grand scheme of things. But with this website, followfast.com, you can get payouts as low as $1.50. That is much easier said than done. I went through this for about a half an hour to see how much money I could make. As you see on the time-lapse video, you can do stuff on Facebook, Instagram, and even Twitter. I went through and I tried to make as much money as I could in the time frame, and I made little to no money. In fact, what you'll see at the end of the time lapse is how much money I made, which was less than 5,000 points, less than 1,000 points. And you're going to see, in order to have a payout of $1.50, you need almost 500,000 points in order to achieve that mark. I believe my math is correct. In order for you to achieve the minimum payout of $1.50, you would need to hit the threshold of 500,000 points. And as you see throughout that video, again on the top left-hand corner, in order to achieve those payouts, you're going to have to complete a bunch of tasks. And the highest paying task is 50 points, okay? So if you did the math there, if you just did, I'm going to open up my calculator here. If we just did 50 points, if we did 500,000 and we divide that by 50, you'd be looking at 10,000 tasks that you would need to complete. Now, as you see in my video, I worked on this for about a half an hour and I earned about 500 points total in a half an hour. All right. So if we did 500,000 points divided by 500, which I earned in about a half an hour, it would take me 1,000 half an hours. Okay. Or 500 hours. So if we did the math on that, 500 hours divided by 24 hours in a day, it would take us 20 days in order to earn a payout. So you'd have to do this every minute of every day for 20 straight days, 21 straight days in order to earn the minimum payout. Now, what we should take from, there's a few things we should take from this. One, anyone that's telling you that you can make quick money doing absolutely nothing, I would steer clear. I would turn and I would run the other way. Is there an opportunity to learn something from this? Okay, yes, of course there is. And let me just share with you my story real quick. I first got started trying to make money online and find shortcuts and quick results when I realized that my wife and I were going to have twins. And so we obviously wanted to look for ways to make double what we were making. And I went through all of this stuff, guys. I was just like you. Okay. I went through these, earned quick money just by doing these simple little tasks. I did Amazon Mechanical Turk. I did micro tasks. I went over to a website called Warrior Plus and bought all of those little quick done for you softwares. And one thing that I realized is that those softwares aren't going to help you make substantial money. Sure, if you do this every day consecutively, you could make $1.50. Ultimately, what you should be learning from channels like this, the Prodigy channel and all the other channels out here, is A, this is actually done with YouTube automation. This person, the Prodigy, isn't actually the content creator. This is a YouTube automation channel. B, the only way to make money online successfully, consistently, persistently is to create content. We see that low value content makes money. We see that high quality content makes money. We see essentially scam content makes substantial money. What you guys should do is stop trying to find the quick fix. Stop trying to find the shortcut and go out and execute a plan. Create a plan that you're going to make content. You can make content on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. You can do long form content like you see on the screen here. Make content. Okay. If we look at Social Blade for this channel, The Prodigy, you're going to see that they make a lot of money just by making low quality content. So if we go over to a website called Social Blade, you're going to see that the amount of money that they claim to make is good. It's probably actually much lower than what it should be. So we type in The Prodigy. All right, so if we look at this, according to Social Blade, and I know this number is wrong, it actually says the country's in the Philippines. This gives me a further indication that this is a YouTube automation or YouTube cash cow channel. It says that it's only making about $1,700 per month. I believe that you could probably 4, 5, 6x that. And there you can see they're making a pretty good amount of money per month simply creating content. Now, you can create content in anything that you're interested in. There are millions of people that are interested in whatever you're interested in. And if you create content and not just try and go with the shortcut, quick fix stuff, you will be successful online. But it's incumbent on you to go out there and create content. I urge you, I beg you to stop looking for the shortcuts, the quick fixes, the earn $3 doing menial tasks type stuff, because it doesn't work. The pushback is always going to be, Alston, I have no money to get started. You can start creating content with your smartphone. If you want it bad enough, you will figure out a way. For example, here in my city, they let you rent out, the local library lets you rent out cameras. So if you wanted to, you could create a bunch of content doing talking head videos about anything that you're interested in. You could do the editing right at the library or buy a cheap little laptop, do the editing there. There's online editing tools. You edit it and then you can upload it. If you have a smartphone, if you have internet connection, which I believe that you do because you're looking at this video, you can be successful online. The stuff that you're telling yourself, I've got an accent. Will people not want to listen to me because I have an accent? I don't have any money to get started. I've got a face for radio. I don't look appealing. Those are all things that you're telling yourself so that you don't have to get started to make money online. Those are all smokescreens that you're convincing yourself to have to be perfect before you can make money online. Stop lying to yourself, okay? The only reason why you're not successful is because you have chosen to believe in some of those lies that you told yourself. Again, I don't have any money to get started. You can start YouTube for free. You can start TikTok for free. You can start Instagram for free. You can start LinkedIn for free. People say, well, people, they won't like my accent. You have to remember that there are billions of people in the world, okay? Even if 1 million people, even if 5 billion people don't like your accent, there are still 3 billion people that won't care about your accent, okay? So you just need to stop lying to yourself and go out and create the content. There's no perfect niche. There's no perfect opportunity. The only perfect opportunity is the opportunity that you take advantage of that's right in front of you, and that's creating content. So I have created a ton of content on how to get started on YouTube, on TikTok, LinkedIn, anywhere and everywhere. You just need to take action. Stop watching these videos that are telling you that you can earn $3 every 35 seconds because it's not true. It's not going to help you get you where you want to go. These videos are designed to keep you hooked, keep you coming back so that they can continuously make money, okay? This is not the way to go if you want to make money online in 2022 and 2023. The way to make money online is to create content. YouTube Shorts is going to change the way that it's paying out its creators. Start doing YouTube Shorts now. TikTok. Some people will say TikTok's not available in my area. If you're watching this YouTube video, YouTube Shorts is available. So stop lying to yourself. Stop convincing yourself that you can't do it, because you can do it. This guy has done it. There are millions of people that have done it. You just need to get off the wall and start doing it. Watch this video next, because YouTube says it's going to help you build your online business.